We are visiting an observatory today where science, history, and breathtaking scenery blends into an unforgettable LA experience. Since opening its doors in 1935, Griffith Observatory has grown into the most visited public observatory in the world. Sitting high above Griffith Park, the view is incredible, with sweeping sights of the entire area and a clear view of the Hollywood sign. Looming over the lawn is a monumental sculpture celebrating astronomers who revealed the nature of the universe. The grounds are a fun spot to watch the sun and the moon move and walk through a scaled-down model of the solar system. The terraces offer vistas of Los Angeles, Griffith Park, Mount Wilson, and the Pacific Ocean. The views get even better at sunset and after. Observatory entry is free. Planetarium and theater show have a $10 ticket. It opens at 12 and look at the line. Under the rotunda, the 240-pound bronze pendulum hangs from a 40-foot cable, gently swaying in the same direction as the Earth slowly turns beneath it. Nearly 2,200 pieces of celestial jewelry come together to form a ribbon of time. Their cosmic shapes and designs represent astronomical objects and our connection to the universe. Now we are looking at the solar system with Mercury, Venus, Earth, which is 93 million miles from Sun, and Mars, 4 small, hard and rocky planets. Then comes Jupiter, Saturn with all its rings, Uranus and Neptune, which are made up of gas and ice. Pluto and beyond is a frozen world. With its crackling sparks and loud buzz, the Tesla coil is one of Griffith Observatory's most unforgettable exhibits. It shoots lightning-like arcs during free 6-minute demos held several times a day. It's a short video, but thank you for joining us. We will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.